Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like say thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who give thousands of favors to us until this day. Dear Coordinator of Study Program Business Education, Mrs. Rina Parlina, MBA. Dear my supervisor, Mrs. Dera Solika, MM. And then dear my all 2018 Business Education lecture. Please allow me to submit my internship report at PT Indoesport Karya Indonesia. Hello everyone, my name is Ervina Kusuma Wardani from Business Education A 2018, Faculty of Economy, State University of Jakarta. In this video, I will present you about internship report at Division Marketing PT Indoesport Karya Indonesia. The first, I will inform you to the background about why I did this internship. Background of internship, the first, the creation of professional and quality human resource who are able to compete in the industrial era 4.0. And then, as one of the graduation requirement for degree education, Faculty of Economy, State University of Jakarta. The third, improve the quality of college student and preparing them to be the best fresh graduate that required are looking for. And then the last, apply the knowledge that has been gained in college to the world of work, especially knowledge that is related with marketing field. Next, I will tell you about where I did this internship. I did this internship at PT Indoesport Karya Indonesia, which located at Kirana Boutique Office, Block E1, number 7 and 8, Street Boulevard Raya, number 1, Kelapa Gading North, Jakarta. I did the division I got is admin marketing. PT Indoesport Karya Indonesia or Indonesia Entertainment Solution or ES Group is a holding company engaged in media, brand activation, and production house. We are targeting two market segments, namely global and esport. We have collaborated with various parties to our business product. In the field of esport, we have created various events in nation and Southeast Asia region. PT Indoesport Karya Indonesia is a company that operates and lives in the Indonesia Esport Indonesia ecosystem. One of its most active division is media or online press and production house. This is scheduled implementation of my internship. Day of work Monday to Friday, and then time of work is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And then my internship period started on January 4th and until March 13th, 2021. Next, I will tell you about company overview. The first, company history. 2017, Indoesport was found with funding from investor. 2019, Indoesport successfully running an esport event in Southeast Asia. 2020, Indoesport developed into ES Group and acquired Vantage Indonesia. And then I will tell you about company brief. PT Indoesport Karya Indonesia is a company that operates and lives in the Indonesian esport industry ecosystem. One of its most active division is media or online press and production house. Next, we talk about vision and mission. PT Indo Esport Karya Indonesia, vision is listen, observe, research, and engage to deliver units. And then mission of PT Indo Esport Karya Indonesia is 1. Communicate to understand the client wants and goals by listening what they want and also give what they need, observe, and research the needs with our professional team to give proper strategy of communication, channel plannings, and efficient investment service and delivering the brief as well. And 2, maintain the long-lasting engagement and great partnership with the client. And then 3, we are imaginative, innovative, and people-oriented, organizing, providing individual opportunity, personal growth, and skill development. Next, there is organizational structure. Next, I will tell you about my job description at PT Indo Esport Karya Indonesia as admin marketing. The first, doing marketing administration. Second, achieving project document with clients. And third, becoming a liaison officer of the company with clients. The first, I will tell you about my first job in PT Indo Esport Karya Indonesia as admin marketing is doing marketing administration. There is step by step to doing marketing administration. The first, list the job that account executive have or are currently working on. Next, list project with client already running, and then making account executive activity reports. My second job is archiving project document with client. The first, making quotation and RAB by account executive. Next, create MOU for ongoing projects. Next, ask finance to make invoice. And then uploading document to IS administrator. My third job is become a liaison officer of the company with the client LG in the project LG talent endorsement. The first step is fill in the new vendor cooperation agreement, and then meeting with the client, then looking for talent candidate that match the client brief, and then propose talent candidate to the client, and then schedule ads post with talents. Next, distribution of goods to talent, and the last, create document submission of reimbursement. Next, I will tell you about problem faced during internship. The first, lack of facility provided by PT Indo Esport Karya Indonesia. And then there are often misunderstanding in marketing division between one account executive and another, as well as the division head of marketing and CEO PT Indo Esport Karya Indonesia. The last problem faced during internship is lack of practitioner understanding of the use of Microsoft Excel. So, how to solve the problem? The first, I bring a personal laptop to register a business WhatsApp. Second, hold weekly internal marketing division meetings. And then third, learn to use Microsoft Excel from YouTube and from friends who understand more about Microsoft Excel. Conclusion, practitioners can find out sales administration activities at PT Indo Sport Karya Indonesia. Second, practitioners can find out the mechanism for filling work documents at PT Indo Sport Karya Indonesia. And then third, practitioners can be a liaison for new product promotion activities at the LG Talent Endorsement, even at PT Indo Sport Karya Indonesia. Suggestion from practitioners: the first, better prepare themselves in the terms of academic or skills. Second, have a good adaptability to easily adapt to new environment. And then third, have high initiative and improve communication skill. Suggestion from for State University of Jakarta is the first, provide knowledge and preparation to students by providing information about internship activities in a clear and direct manner. Second, provide recommendation from companies that have the potential to be selected and to propose of student to apply for street vendors there. And then suggestion for PT Indo Sport Karya Indonesia is provide facility that can support the performance of practitioners. Second, it is hope that we can establish good relationship and cooperate with State University of Jakarta. This is my documentation with the partners PT Indo Sport Karya Indonesia. Thank you. Finally, at the end of content of this video, I think that enough for the presentation of my internship report. I'm so sorry if anything is missing. Hopefully it can be useful. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.